How I make my own poultry feed and save $1,000 every month. Easy chicken feed formula for bigger profits. Stop wasting money on overpriced poultry feed. What if you could save $1,000 every month while raising healthier, faster growing chickens? In this video, I will reveal exactly how I make my own poultry feed at my farm. A method any poultry farmer can copy to cut costs and skyrocket profit. When I first started poultry farming, buying commercial feed drained my profit completely. Every month I spent thousands of dollars just to keep my chickens fed. Yet, many of them didn't perform well. The feed quality was inconsistent, expensive, and packed with unnecessary fillers. That's when I made a life-changing decision to take control of my feed production. Use fresh quality ingredients in making my feed. Formulate feed that meets my chicken's exact needs and cut costs and expenses and boost my farm profitability. Today, I proudly save over $1,000 every month and my birds grow faster, healthier, and stronger. Now I am here to show you how you can do that and how exactly you can do it better in your own farm too. 15 steps to making rich poultry feed on your farm that every poultry farmer should emulate. Let's get there. Please watch the video to the end so that you get the best knowledge, best tips to start making your own feed in your farm and reduce the cost of production, thereby maximizing your profit. Have you been making profit in poultry farming with this high cost of commercial feed? Let me know on the comment section how you are coping up with the high cost of commercial feed. And do you want to make your own feed in your own farm? Let me also know on the comment section. If this particular video interests you, give it a thumb up, like, share, and drop your comments. If you have any question regarding this topic, drop in the comment section while we go into the 15 steps to making rich poultry feed on your farm that every poultry farmer that want to progress should emulate. Let's get there.
Step 1. Plan based on birds' age and purpose. Starter, grower, finisher, layers feed formula differs. Don't use starter feed for layers and don't use finisher feed for growing birds. Each age of the birds have its own feed, and make sure you use the appropriate feed for their age and the same texture. 2. Analyze nutritional requirements. Protein percentage, energy level, calcium, vitamins, and micronutrients, for instance, are necessary in your feed, and make sure you make use of the appropriate feed formula for each of the poultry birds. Source fresh local ingredients. For instance, corn, soybean meal, wheat offal, fish meal, limestone, and others. Source them from a reputable sources and make sure they are fresh, because once they are fresh, they have strong aroma that attracts the poultry birds to eating the feed and converting the feed. Step 4. Ensure ingredients quality and cleanliness. Make sure the ingredients you are using for the feed has no mold, no dirt, or contamination. Make sure it is free from all this so that the chickens will not be contaminated. Step 5. Weigh ingredients accurately. Use a digital scale for precision. This will give you accurate results so that you won't make any mistake that will affect the feed quality. Step 6. Pre-process ingredients if needed. Grind, crack or roast certain materials for better digestion. For instance, soybean seed need to be toasted before use. If not, you can't get the best result because of the anti-nutritional factors it contains. Step 7. Mix macro ingredients first. Grains, major protein sources. Mix all the macronutrients first in order to make sure you get accurate mixing formula. Step 8. Add micro ingredients carefully. For instance, premix, salt, methionine, lysine, vitamin, additives. All these are very important. You need to add them carefully to make sure you don't overuse them. Step 9. Use a mechanical or manual mixer. Thorough mixing ensures balanced nutrition and maximum results for your poultry beds. Make sure that all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. If you have mechanical mixer, use it. If you can't afford it, use boil and mix the feed on the floor. Perform a hand test. A well mixed feed feels uniform and non-clumsy. So after mixing, use your hand and test the feed. See how you feel it on your palm. Step 11. Store properly in cool, dry conditions. Use airtight bags or bins to prevent spoilage. Step 12. Prepare small batches weekly. Keep feed fresh and full of nutrients by preparing small quantity of feed you can use within the week. This makes the feed to be fresh always. Step 13. Monitor birds' response. Track growth rate, feed consumption, and health of your poultry birds on daily basis or weekly basis. Step 14. Adjust formulation based on season. More energy in cold months, lighter in hot seasons. Step 15. Keep strict hygiene standard in your poultry house and during the feed formulation. Sanitize feed mixer, storehouses, and utensils regularly. Making your own feed is not just about saving cost. It is about taking charge of your poultry farm success. When you know exactly what your chickens are eating, you control their growth, health, and productivity. No more wasting money on low quality feeds. No more guessing what's inside the bag. More profits, healthier birds, and greater success await you. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with other poultry farmers who need this knowledge. Drop a comment below. Have you tried making your own feed yet? Let's discuss and find out your lapses and how to help you out. Thank you for watching this video till now. This shows that you are interested in making your own poultry feed in your farm. Stay tuned till the next video is uploaded. Make sure you are subscribed to our both channels so that you get all our videos, because we post on each channel different videos. I also encourage you to join our community membership. Use your credit or debit card and comply with the instructions on the channel. Till the next video is uploaded, for now, I say bye.